CNC, or Computer Numerical Control, is a service performed in the manufacturing industry that involves the use of computer software to control and automate the operation of machines such as lathes, mills, routers, and grinders. This technology allows for precise and efficient production of complex parts and components, as well as the ability to replicate designs with high accuracy and consistency. CNC machines are programmed with specific instructions, which are then executed by the machine to produce the desired output. This service is widely used in industries such as aerospace, automotive, medical, and electronics, where precision and quality are critical. CNC technology has revolutionized the manufacturing industry by enabling faster production times, higher accuracy, and increased efficiency. With the ability to automate repetitive tasks, CNC machines can produce parts and components with consistent quality, reducing the risk of errors and defects. This technology also allows for the creation of complex shapes and designs that would be difficult or impossible to achieve with traditional manufacturing methods. CNC services can be customized to meet the specific needs of each client, from prototyping to large-scale production runs. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of custom metal parts and components for a variety of industries. With over 70 years of experience, Berkness Company has established itself as a leader in the industry, offering a wide range of services including CNC machining, metal stamping, welding, and assembly. The company's state-of-the-art facility is equipped with the latest technology and equipment, allowing for the production of high-quality parts with fast turnaround times. As a provider of CNC services, Berkness Company understands the importance of precision and quality in the manufacturing process. The company's team of skilled technicians and engineers are experienced in programming and operating CNC machines, ensuring that each part is produced to the highest standards. Berkness Company is committed to providing its clients with personalized service and support, working closely with them to understand their needs and deliver customized solutions. If you are interested in learning more about CNC services and how they can benefit your business, Berkness Company invites you to visit their Contact Us page on the website. The company's knowledgeable staff is available to answer any questions you may have and provide you with a quote for your project. With its commitment to quality and customer satisfaction, Berkness Company is the ideal partner for all your manufacturing needs. FAQs. 1. What is CNC manufacturing? CNC, Computer Numerical Control, manufacturing is a process that uses computer-controlled machines to produce precise and complex parts and components. The machines are programmed with specific instructions that dictate the movements of the cutting tools, allowing for high levels of accuracy and repeatability. 2. What are the benefits of CNC manufacturing? CNC manufacturing offers several benefits, including increased efficiency, accuracy, and consistency. The use of computer-controlled machines reduces the risk of human error and allows for faster production times. CNC machines can also produce complex shapes and designs that would be difficult or impossible to achieve with traditional manufacturing methods. 3. What industries use CNC manufacturing? CNC manufacturing is used in a wide range of industries, including aerospace, automotive, medical, and electronics. Any industry that requires precise and complex parts can benefit from CNC manufacturing. Some common applications include engine components, surgical instruments, and circuit boards. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.